I'm going to do the abdomen assessment, and for 612 Maryville University, my name is Otelia. The first thing that I'm going to do is inspection of the abdomen, and what I'm looking for is symmetry, contour, and if there's any visible scars, nodules, or bulges that I can see. At this moment, I do not see any. The umbilical area is in midline and it's inverted. The color of the abdomen is even continuously. Now I'm going to ask you to lift up your head. Okay, while he's lifting up his head, I'm not seeing any masses, any hernia, or any division or separation of the abdomen, so that is good. Put your head back down. Now I'm going to listen for the bowel sounds for all on all four quadrants, starting with the right lower quadrant. The bowel sounds are active in all four quadrants, and I can hear the gurgling every 2 to 3 seconds. It's not loud, it's within the normal limits. Now I'm going to listen to the arteries, aortic roots, and starting with the abdominal aortic. Going to the renal artery. Going to the iliac artery. Going to the femoral artery. Okay, there is no roots noted on the arteries. And then now I'm going to do percussion of all four quadrants, and I'm going to start with the lower. What I'm looking for is tympanic sound and dullness over organs like the liver, and tympanic over the stomach, organs that are filled with air. Okay, and now I'm going to try and estimate the size of the liver, starting on the 5th rib, going down, little dullness, tympanic, and I'm going to draw a line here. And I'm going to do this again, a percussion starting from the umbilical area. Tympanic. I'm sure you can hear this. It's very loud. Okay, dullness. Now I'm going to measure this for the estimation of the size of the liver. And I have 6 centimeters already, exactly, and the normal size is 6 centimeters to 12 centimeters, and that is within the normal limits. Now I'm going to feel for spleen dullness. Take a deep breath. Hold it. Okay, go ahead. And now I'm going to do the gastric air bubble by doing the palpation around the stomach. And it's called air bubble. I'm feeling the tympanic sound, which is of course the stomach is full of air. And now I'm going to do light palpation in all quadrants. And what I'm looking for is resistance as I touch my patient. And if he's complaining of any tenderness when I'm touching, do you feel any tenderness? I'm feeling for the masses as well. And I'm not feeling any masses. Now I'm going to do deep palpation, and again I'm feeling to see if there's any masses that I might have missed with the light palpation, and any complaints of abdominal pain if there's any, and he's denying any tenderness. And then now I'm going to do the liver border to try and feel for the border of the liver, and by placing my left hand under and feeling on top of the abdomen at the end of the ribs for the edge of the liver. If you can just take a deep breath for me. Yes, thank you. All right, I felt that, and then now let it out. And I'm going to do the same thing with the gallbladder, which is right here. Take a deep breath for me. I don't think I feel the gallbladder. I'm going to do the same thing for the spleen. Okay, take a deep breath for me. Okay. And now I'm going to feel for the kidneys. Take a deep breath for me. Take a deep breath again. Now I'm going to feel for the aortic pulsations, and it's supposed to be between 1 centimeter to 2 centimeters. This one I will say it's 1 centimeter, which is within the normal limits. And now I'm going to do the costovertebral angles for the kidneys by doing a percussion on the kidneys. Do you feel any pain? Do you feel any pain? Okay. And now I'm going to do the superficial reflex for the abdomen. This is to check right now the side that is being stroked moves to the, in the midline, in the umbilical cord, move to the side of the stroke. And that concludes our assessment video.